The battles of the dogs on the FTX exchange. We started the different battles on different exchanges, trading similar coins against each other. Now what we're going to be looking for in this video is which one of these dogs has gave us the most profit in this period of time. Who's going to go up 1 to 0? What's your thoughts? Which dog is giving us the most profits? Leave me your comments down below before you continue watching this video. And stay tuned for the giveaway, a pretty unique one. Don't miss out. But let's get to what's happening. First of all, the FTX exchange we're using. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried makes the case for on-chain social media. Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of crypto derivatives exchange FTX, thinks on-chain social media would offer some unique benefits. The crypto billionaire says on Twitter that the on-chain social media would offer a distinct feature that enables users to verify the authentication of certain data included in a message. A pretty unique standpoint. But let's have a look. What does Shiba Inu do? Currently, we got 10 sell limits in place to give us profits with 5 buy limits. We keep on using 5 buy limits at the time, so if the market do drop rapidly, it picks up those low orders. We put in our sell limits, the market pumps, we take profit. But the question is, which coin has given us the most profit in this period of time? Before we continue to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the latest news. Shiba Inu enjoys an 8% spike in price in the last 7 days as SHIB social media interactions soars. Over the past week, Shiba Inu surged by 8% in fact, even though the bearish market prevails. Shiba Inu is still performing at its peak. SHIB's social metrics up by 1.43%. Despite Shiba Inu's social dominance, return on investment is down. SHIB whales on a shopping frenzy. Social media chatter provides that much needed oomph for Shiba Inu, triggering a pump in the price. The amplified whale interest plus metaverse updates certainly gave SHIB that push. The increased hype around SHIB could be because of the whale stats announcement via a tweet stating that SHIB was able to outperform other meme coins and is now on the top rank or first in terms of tokens that are held by the top 500 ETH whales. Good news for Shiba, they're not going anywhere. But who has won the battle? Who is in first place? Let's have a look at Dogecoin. Looking at Dogecoin, we can see quite a few trades happening with the arrows up and down. We also have 10 sell limit orders in place and 5 buy limit orders, making sure we're ready for the pumps and dumps so we can collect every time there's profits and get into the market every time there's a dump. The latest news on Shiba Inu is Elon Musk shows more love for Dogecoin. How much love can one person show to one meme coin? The love affair between Elon Musk and Dogecoin is continuing, despite falling crypto prices and a market that never appeared more uncertain. Musk has emerged in recent days to say Dogecoin is the only digital currency that's truly worth anything and that the coin doesn't take itself too seriously. He also praised its transactional output. Pretty interesting comments. Elon Musk behind Dogecoin and a community of ETH whales behind Shiba Inu. Will a community go into first place? Or will one person, the richest in the world, be in first? The battle is on. But before we get to that result of which coin has given us the most profit, let's have a look at the giveaway. Wolf Financials is having their ULFX token sale on Libax. Link will be down in the description. The Sale is on until the 28th of September, so make sure not to miss out. ULFX official token sale, 1 million tokens for sale at 5 cents per token, includes the ULFC, ULFG, the ULFS tokens, while on the whitelisting link below. Launching on 𝙏𝙤𝙧 𝙒𝙘𝙘, official partner. This kickstarts the entire ecosystem for the CX, DEX, and the P2P exchanges development completely. Now, the unique thing about Wolf Financials and the ULFX is that most of the development has already been done prior to the token sale, which is making this a very unique company. And with the ULFG government's token, 70% of profits is going towards the government token holders, making this first in its class. It's similar like a dividend in the stock market. Now, if you've used my link and signed up, we're gonna spin the wheel. And if you bought tokens already on Livex, we'll double your tokens up to the amount of 5,000 tokens. We're gonna do this draw daily in every video until Wolf Financial says we've gave away enough or the pre-sale ends. So make sure not to miss out on a unique opportunity and have a look at this token sale. We've opened a wheel, put in all the names currently in the list. So let's spin this wheel and see whose tokens will be doubled today up to the amount of 5,000. But you need to send me a mail claiming your tokens. The email address will be down in the description, so make sure not to miss out, and hopefully you've bought some tokens. So I'm waiting for you to claim your price and we'll confirm it and you'll get your tokens. Now, for the main thing we're all here, who has won? Who has given us the most profit in this period of time? Who's taking the lead? Well, let's have a look and see. Shiba Inu has taken the lead. Over this period of time, Shiba Inu has given us the most profits. And even better, currently there's exactly the same amount of trades opened and pending. We got 5 buy limit orders waiting to give us profit on both sides. And we got 10 sell limit orders to give us profits on both sides, making this a unique win for Shiba Inu. Over this period of time, Shiba Inu was the dog who won the battle. The dog who gave us extreme crypto gains. Lodge your thoughts and concerns. Let me know, what do you think about this battle? Who's gonna win the next round? And if you haven't yet, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building this community and have fun with the different battles. Enjoy!